Yes, SHEIN is having a BOGO buy one get one free wig sale, and I am ecstatic. Let's see what I got. This video is sponsored by SHEIN, who sent me these two nice wigs. And don't forget, they are having a buy one, get one free BOGO wig sale right now. Also, before we get started, inside the box, you have here some hair care instructions for your wig, some eyelashes to sport while you wearing your wig, and of course, your ball cap you need to do the do. Okay, let's go. So this is a 360 deep wave lace front. It's human hair, of course. It's pre-plucked with baby hair, and it's 180% density. Oh my God, I'm loving this. Inside the wig, you have your standard tracks, your standard comb, and you have an elastic band. Go SHEIN. Oh, and I ain't gonna lie, this hair is so soft, so pretty and wavy. I cannot wait to see how it looks on me. Then the other wig I got, this one is a retro finger wave wig. It's super short. It's only 4 inches. But it is human hair, so you can kind of like fix it up. You could curl it, you could press it, you could wash it, you could do everything because it's human hair. However, I do not know how to do finger waves. I really need to learn how to do them, because if this bad boy messes up, that's a wrap. Okay, but inside the wig is your standard tracks, your standard combs, your band, and this is how it looks up close, the deep waves, the finger waves. Okay, but let's see how she looks on. All right, you guys, let's go. I ain't gonna lie. I'm already in love with that curly wig, but I'm just gonna say the best for last. So again, this is the retro finger wave wig up close. Okay, pros and cons. Okay, the pros, I love the fact that it's a finger wave wig. I love short hair. I think short hair looks cute on me, and I'm trying my best to make this wig look cute because it is human hair, so I know I could like hook it up. However, I don't know how to do finger waves. Fuck! But, oh, and also, you got to have a big ass head to wear this wig. Y'all already know I got a peanut head, so when I put this wig on, it just swallowed me whole. I'm not going to size it. I'll probably give it to my mom or something like that. But yeah, you got to have a nice size head. My head is just like way too small. But yeah, if you got a big head or average size head, this wig will look cute on you. You probably could put some mousse on it and tighten up the waves. Me personally, I don't know how to do finger waves. I'll have to look at a couple of videos to figure out how to do this, but this is how she looks. This is how she looks on me, and this is how she looks up close. Now, to get with the nitty gritty. Now for my new favorite wig. Again, this is a 360 lace front wig, which means it has hair all the way around. As you can see, you can create a ponytail illusion. It has all the little baby hairs around the nape of your neck, all around your hairline, your ear. I mean, baby, look, I can't wait to install this thing. Okay, watch me work.